Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We all wish you to have a profitable day today also. As you all know that we are following a single indicator called MST Core 2.0 for all the market, and we are telling that it is a multi-purpose indicator. What is special about this indicator? This indicator will say where the market will reverse. Even if there is a sudden fall for 100 points or 500 points or 1000 points in a bank nifty, we have an option to find out where the market will reverse, what will be the resistance, what will be the support. Support resistance means where is the support which is exactly acting like a support. Resistance, it is exactly will act as a resistance. Not even 1 point or 2 point will there be any misleading. There will be no misleading in the support and resistance points. So that much accuracy we are having in this indicator. Suppose if we are in a loss, on the same day you can recover the loss. Suppose you cannot recover the loss on the same day, then you will get an overall profit on a monthly basis. You will get overall profit on a monthly basis. So far we have got a profit of minimum of 20% to 40% on our returns on investment, whatever we have invested. So with this introduction, I will start today's session. The today's session is about what happened in yesterday's market. So you all know that we are considering only 3 script to cut down the video size, right? So today also we will see what happened to Bank Nifty, crude oil, and natural gas. So I will start with Bank Nifty with a positive mind. So yesterday what happened? So you all know after 9:35 we have to enable the first buy and first sell. Whichever side it gets activated first, that side we have to trade. So now what happened? Market has opened here, it has come down directly, and our buy entry got activated. Buy entry got activated. So automatically we will ignore the sell entry. So go here and ignore the sell and enable the either second sell, or you can enable first buy SL. It is up to you. So now coming to this part, now first buy activated and target done. First buy target done. Okay. At the closing time, we have got some extra points also. We will consider only this first target. How many points? From 327072 32972, it comes to 265 points. If you multiply by 25, it comes to 6625, 6,625 rupees. So here I have calculated, I have entered here yesterday. Okay. So yesterday, as per Bank Nifty is concerned, we are in a profit of rupees 6,625 rupees for a single lot. If you have taken 10 lot, then you are in a profit of 66,000 plus. Okay. So second one, what is the script we are looking into? We will be looking into a script called crude oil. So crude oil yesterday, we missed both the buy entry and sell entry in just a few points. We missed both buy entry and sell entry in just few points. So I will enable first buy and first sell, and I will show you. So here, first buy was 4843, but the low made was 4843. First buy was at 4843 and the low made was 4846. So we missed by 3 points, but you all know that we can keep 3 points buffer. That is, we can take extra 3 points risk. So if you see here, this 4846 has come to 3 to 4 times in a 3 minutes candle. Okay. So you have got one support also here, perfect support. So if you wanted, then you could have taken as per the strategy only, and you could have booked some 75, that is 462. Even if you have taken at 46 or 50, you have got some 25 points profit. And we are used to, we are practicing to revise the stop loss at every 15 points. Suppose if you have not revised or if you have not taken extra risk also, so you were waiting for the exact entry, you didn't get the entry. So now we will be waiting for the sell entry. So our sell entry is at 8882 and high made was only 75, 4 to 5 times 75 high made. It means that there is a support is forming there, strong resistance is forming there, so that it could not move there. Okay, if you have learned price action along with this indicator, then you could have predicted that market will not cross the 75. Market will not cross the 75 based on the price action method, because see here also there is a support at same price. So it has formed a strong resistance at this place. So that is the reason market did not move up above the 75. So if you have learned the price action with us along with this indicator, then yesterday in market you could have made some good profit, because the risk is just another 7 point. The risk is another 7 points. If you have taken that extra risk, then see first target done, second target done, and third target is exactly done. So 64 is the target and low made was 64. And then one more time target 64 activated and target done. So this is the perfection of our indicator. See how it is exactly no, supporting these levels. So this is what our trade should be there yesterday, but I will not consider this because by inserting the price action into this core strategy, those who have not learned the price action, they cannot do this. So what I will consider today, I will consider like, okay, now I will consider only first buy got activated, sell is not activated. So I will enable first buy and second sell. So now what happened? First buy activated and immediately market did not move up. It has come down, it has reached up. Now it is forming the resistance. It is forming the resistance, one resistance. Then one. Previous low is not broken. It is a resistance. Now SL hit. Now SL hit, none of the candle is closed below as per the price action as I'm telling. Then it has reached here. Again, it has formed the resistance. Then it has fallen. So as per the core strategy, without adding the price action method, yesterday we got loss of first buy 39 points loss and second buy we will be taking two lots. So we got 39 into 2.78. So totally adding, we have got some 118 points loss. How many points we've got loss? 118 points. Am I right? 117 I have given. 39 4843 minus 4804. So how much it comes? 4843 minus 4804. 39 points. Now again we have taken 39. So we have got some 11,800 rupees loss yesterday. 11,800 rupees loss in crude oil. No issue. We never said every day you will get a profit, right? Overall in a monthly you will get a profit. Okay, this is the one. And another thing, what you can see, we have given a beautiful thing in our indicator. Suppose if market is behaving like this, suddenly it is falling, rising, falling, rising, and when it is given a huge fall, there is a place market should reverse. There is a place market should reverse. That place we can identify using this indicator. What is that place? You just go here, change the time from 1 day to 1 month. 1 day to 1 month. Now you see, this is the place where the market has to reverse most of the time, 99% of the time. So here you can take the buy entry and you can recover the loss, and you can hold this buy entry for positional target. For a positional target. Now positionally buy has been activated and first target 40 points done. One more time buy activated and first target 40 points done, right? If tomorrow market has opened above this level, then you can keep the stop loss to cost and wait for the targets 4844 and 4883, and the next target will be, this part will be next target. So this is our positional entry. See, when market has opened tomorrow and has crossed this level, that is 4805, then we can expect the first target 4844, then second target 4883, and fourth target 4920. So this way you can trade. So this is the positional strategy which will work for intraday as well. You can use it for positional trade also. So hope it is clear in terms of crude oil. So yesterday, if we deduct this 118 points loss, and here we got some 40 points loss, we can deduct no if you want no. But as per the strategy, we are not doing that. I'm considering loss is the loss. Don't worry. Then we will go to what it is, natural gas. So in natural gas, what happened? So now I will keep everything to default settings. Default settings actually, first which one is activated? I have to enable first to buy. So yesterday exactly first buy only activated. First buy only activated, sell not activated. So we have to avoid the sell. So first buy and second sell. So now see, now after activation of buy entry, it has given some 1 point something, then it has come down and our SL was safe. Then again it has given up 1 point, then came down, then went up. See the high is 21.8.9. Only 20 paisa we missed the target. Only 20 paisa we missed for the target. Target was 219.1 and the high made was 218.9. Only 20 paisa we missed the target. But what we suggest, after 1 point profit in a what it is, natural gas, keep revising the stop loss. Minimum you have to keep the stop loss to cost. Now when it is nearing the target, you have to keep the stop loss to 1 point profit. 1 point profit. So if you are kept in 1 point profit, then you will be getting 1250 rupees profit. So that is what I have calculated here. Right, where it is here 1250 I have calculated as the profit, since by considering you have kept the stop loss to 1 point profit. Even if you are not kept the stop loss at 1 point and you have kept the stop loss to cost is compulsory, no? Cost to cost is compulsory. So zero yesterday profit in the natural gas, and your loss, your total loss will be yesterday 5,175 rupees yesterday loss. Clear? But just see the 4 days of profit. 3rd May, we got 31,825 rupees profit. 4th May, we got 36,125 rupees profit. And 5th May, we got 31,650 rupees profit. And 6th May, we got 5,100 rupees loss. 5th May, we got loss. Loss is the part of the business. We should not worry. We should not go out of the market. Loss will come. Without loss, you cannot trade. But overall, if you are able to be in profit, that is an achievement. That is the achievement. So that achievement is given by this indicator. But if you see this, on 3rd May, we got 23,900 rupees profit. We have given 4 to 5 calls. We had asked you to take buy and sell again and again. But here you see, I have considered only one entry. First we got the buy entry, we got 95 points profit and we have closed it. Okay. The second entry also we have got, and we have encouraged the people to take. They also had taken, they have booked the profit, they have shared the screenshot. And that time we have got the profit of 23,900 rupees. that I have not included. Okay, so for your information, I have taken only as per the target, and it has given 9,500. And overall, in a profit, overall in Bank Nifty alone, we have got 56,400. In Bank Nifty, in the natural gas alone, we have got 15,000, 16,625, and crude oil alone, we have got 21,400. This is only for 4 days. So today also we have. So even in a week, if you are getting this much profit, this is an achievement. What I will say, this is an achievement. Per week you have earned 94,425 rupees without a risk, without any your technical analysis. What else you want? What else you want? Suppose you are investing 3 lakh rupees. Say for crude oil you are investing 1 lakh rupees. For natural gas you are investing 1 lakh rupees. And Bank Nifty you are investing 1 lakh rupees. If your total investment is 3 lakh rupees, and if your return is 94,425 rupees within 4 days, within 4 days, who will give this much profit? So in such case, you have to consider this way. You have to consider this way. Don't expect no invest 10,000 rupees and get every day 10,000 rupees profit. You will not get such a thing. Only few people from the North India, they will promise you, but they will not give you. Okay, so keep in mind and don't stop trading. Every day how to trade by following the same strategy. For sure, you will get a profit. Again, we are not a SEBI registered people. So whatever we are giving, we are trading and we are giving these only for the educational purpose. So the disclaimer is there and at the beginning of the video and end of the video. You all please read it. Before you put your live money, consider your financial advisor. So this is the things, everything we have made in front of you. Now you have to decide. Now you have to decide. That's all. Okay, thank you all for watching our video. For any doubts or clarification, you can contact us in Telegram and WhatsApp. If you want, you can call us and the same number what we have given in the description. And whoever wants to open the account with our reference, they can open and they will get free calls if they are actively trading in our account. And whoever wants to subscribe for this indicator, they can subscribe, and this is for lifetime validity. And we are going to stop this lifetime offer soon, and later on we will be charging 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, thank you all for subscribing to our indicator and YouTube channel and for showing your support. I request you all to share the YouTube videos to as max as possible, so that all the people who are in a loss or who are less investors can join us and they can make profit. So this Bank Nifty you can trade with less investment. You can trade in option. You will get some good profit. 100 points target, 100 points stop loss every day. What you have to do whenever it is coming down to buy entry, you have to take that the money option, call option. Whenever it is coming near to our sell end, you have to take at the money put option, buy. Both are buy. So the risk is very less. The risk is very less, but the profit is huge. So that you can do. For further details, you can contact us. Thank you all. Wish you all a happy profit.